At Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings, we hope to earn your business by providing quality services such as ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is a liquid that forms a semi-permanent bond with your paint, which lasts years, unlike wax, which only lasts months. It repels water, is extremely glossy, and is UV resistant, protecting it from fading and making it far easier to clean. PPF, otherwise known as Clear Bra, is a thick, durable, protective film that differs from vinyl wrap in that it protects against most scratches and rock chips on your vehicle. PPF is also self-healing, meaning many swirls and scratches come out in the Texas sun. Paint correction, otherwise known as polishing, is a process that removes many of the defects from your car's paint, including automated car wash swirls and scratches. Auto detailing, which is the process of completely cleaning your vehicle's interior and exterior from top to bottom. I know that scheduling services that leave you without your car can be inconvenient, so I will provide you a courtesy Uber to take you back home after you drop off your car. Still not convinced? Check out our several hundred 5-star Google reviews and get booked today.